Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Vegas Mini Mansion. Today we're going to talk about our Breville Espresso machine, and we're going to talk about the low pressure on your pressure gauge here. So the reason why you have low pressure is because, well, I've owned my Breville machine for about a good 4 years, and through time, these Breville machines, they have these seals and gaskets, and they get brittle and soft. So I'm going to show you what my pressure gauge looks like and how low it is before we install these, and then we'll install these and I'll show you how we built up better pressure. If you know your Breville machine's not that old, we'll talk about you're not using espresso beans and you're probably not putting the correct amount of coffee into your portafilter, and maybe you're not using the correct grind size when you're grinding your coffee beans. So we're going to make an espresso real quick. I'm going to show you that the pressure gauge is not going up, and then we'll install these gasket seals and we'll correct the problem. All right guys, so I already put my portafilter inside. We're gonna try to create an espresso and see if this gauge even moves, and let's see what happens. As you can see, the needle's not even budging, not even moving. Oh, there it goes, just a little bit. But if this is what it's looking like, not even budging. If this is what it looks like, it's not even budging, this is the problem. So we're gonna do it. We're gonna replace it. I'm gonna show you how to install these gaskets and where to get them. Just look down below and you'll be able to find where these are cheap. But we're gonna use this Allen wrench here. And right over here underneath the group head is where we're gonna undo it and replace these gaskets. So let's go. All right guys, so the first step is also to take off this water canister, and then below, before we tip this machine, we're going to take this off just like that, just so you don't get all the liquids all over, spilled all over. And then now we're going to tilt it backwards. All right, here, so we got our little Allen wrench here, and tilting it here. We're just gonna loosen it, right? Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. If you're new to my channel, I'm all about helping people with their homes, with different things around the home. So I'm new to YouTube. If you can like the video, that would be appreciated. So we're just gonna put this in right here, lefty-loosey. You could probably find one of these Allen wrenches around the house. So just loosen, comes out just like that. All right, now that we loosened that screw here, we're just kind of spin it a little, get it a little bit loose, and then with your finger, just kind of nudge it out. Just like that. All right, so we have our pick here. So we have to pick out this gasket here. So just right here, just get on the edge here. These little picks, they'll save your life. But just get in there and pick it out just like that. It'll come right out just like that. And we're going to put it back in, so make sure you pay attention to what the shape looks like. So the flat surface is going in first, and the rib areas on the outside. So all right guys, next step, while you're in there, just get in there and just clean out everything with the paper towel. Dust it out. All right guys, so we're gonna put this gasket back in, flat surface in, as you can see. And don't skip this part. I'm gonna show you exactly what you need to do to get it in there. I'll show you a little hack, make sure it's nice and tight in there. All right guys, one good hack to make sure that gasket's in there nice and tight is just take your portafilter, put it in there, and twist it just to make sure everything is nice and flush in there. Next step. All right, we're gonna put this piece back in. Just like that. Put our screw back in. Nice and easy. Righty-tighty. Yeah, guys, if you guys are new to this channel or you don't have an espresso machine, you can't find yourself paying for an expensive espresso machine, down below there's this new espresso company, and their espresso machines are inexpensive and they're a good brand and good quality. I'll put it down below because you save a lot of money, you know, not going to Starbucks every day. So that's it. Now we're gonna do an espresso with it fixed, guys. Let's get started. All right, guys, so we're ready to make our espresso and watch that needle go up to espresso mode. So the first step is for you new users, we have the portafilter, guys. So you have to make sure that your tamper's not sitting up too high. See how you can see that line there, the chrome, that chrome line there? If you can see that, that means your espresso beans are not leveled correctly. They're sitting too high. It has to be low to where you don't see that chrome. Okay, guys? And then the second most important thing is your grind size. I find that grinded espresso beans, the grind size dial, sometimes we accidentally hit that dial, and if it's too fine, it won't go into espresso mode. So I find that branded espresso beans, 5 and 6 are the perfect setting. Maybe if you got some freshly roasted coffee beans in your hometown, maybe the settings may change, but each coffee is different. So you need to know that 5 and 6 is my grind size. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna put it in. I'll get my little cup, one moment. Here we go. And we're gonna watch that needle go up. Here we go. So we know it's in espresso mode when it gets to that gray. And as you see, all the way into the gray. See that needle go up? Perfect. Check out that shot, guys. Nice and perfect. I'm gonna make a brown sugar espresso drink with oat milk, brown sugar, and ice. So guys, so we fixed that seal. We made sure our grind size was at 5, and you guys are gonna have the perfect espresso, guys. So hopefully you guys go and check out my other videos. I'm all about helping you with your home. So I'll see you guys again. And if you can, I'm new to YouTube, give me a like.